$11,000 in 7 days. If you want to make real money online, you need some kind of business. You need to sell something, physical products, digital products, services. In any case, you need some sort of web presence. A website, a blog, an email list, maybe you teach something and sell your courses. Then you need a platform where you can upload your videos. Some months ago, I made some videos about Systeme, a real business-in-a-box kind of tool. You can find my videos here on the channel. And one of the things I like about Systeme is that you can start using it absolutely for free. But in this video, I want to show you another opportunity related to Systeme, and even this one is free. Welcome to Digital Toolcase. If you like this kind of content, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. So, $11,000 in 7 days, I'm not the one who made them. Hiram Bukai did. He's one of the most respected marketers and funnel experts. But where is your opportunity? Well, guess which tool Hiram Bukai is using to build his online businesses and his funnels? Yes, Systeme. But when you start to use a tool like this, you can be overwhelmed with all the features and options it offers. Maybe you never built a funnel, or maybe you never started a mailing list, so you are totally lost. Systeme is a really easy to use tool, but you need to know exactly how to take advantage of it to earn money. And this is why I'm suggesting you subscribe to Hiram Bukai free training on how you can earn good money using Systeme. You just need to click on the link in the description, insert your email address, and that's it. Especially if you have some services you want to sell online, or maybe you are creating a digital product you want to sell, and you obviously need to launch this product. So here in this free training, you will find the exact blueprint for an $11,000 launch. You will see how you can get 90 recurring customers or even more with this simple funnel setup, and how to use Systeme.io to power your entire launch. And again, it's free, so you are losing nothing. And even if you don't have something to sell right now, this is really useful to know better how to use Systeme. Some interesting features you may find useful even if you want to just build a funnel of some kind, or maybe build your email list. As I said before, I like Systeme because it has a very good free plan, so you don't need to spend any money while you learn to use it. And as you can see here in their pricing plan, you start from this free plan where you can have 2,000 contacts, you can send unlimited emails, you can create 3 sales funnels for free with 15 steps, you can create one free blog with unlimited blog posts, you can even create a course with unlimited students. So again, maybe you are teaching something, you can upload your course here for free. One community with unlimited community members. This is interesting because many other tools like this give you some limits with members, with students, or with email sent. Here you don't have these kind of limits. You have some automation rules, some tags, and again, this is the free plan. Once maybe you start to use it and you start to earn some kind of money, you can then go up, and as you can see, even this unlimited plan is quite cheap if compared to other solutions, because here you have all unlimited for $97 monthly, but if you pay annually, you will save some money. So this is interesting, but I don't want to talk exactly about this in this video. I want to focus on this free training. I think every time you find something interesting for free, you need to take advantage of it. Maybe it's not for you, then no problem. You have no obligations, you don't need to spend any money, so there is absolutely no problem. So this is your opportunity for this video. I just wanted to share it with you because I think it's interesting. And how to know if you may be interested in this kind of training? Well, if we take a look at the Systeme homepage, you can see with the Systeme you can create sales funnels, send marketing emails, build websites, manage your affiliates. So you can create your own affiliate program, you can create online courses, you can automate your marketing. So if you are a course creator, a freelance, a small business owner, this is absolutely for you. I even made a video in the past comparing ClickFunnels with Systeme, and in my opinion Systeme is more convenient because it makes you save a lot of money if compared with other solutions. So again, if you want, you can find the link here in the description. Take advantage of this free training because I don't know until when it will be available for free. If you want to understand how you can use this kind of funnels to sell some services, some products, or maybe even some affiliate products. That's all. I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope you find this opportunity interesting. If so, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and as always, see you soon in the next video.